You sure you want to hear this? Because once I start, I don't think I can stop.
Go ahead, I'm listening. Let's go.
I didn't even know why I left. It wasn't that I was unhappy, I just stopped recognizing who I was. I packed my stuff, and I drove west. Didn't tell anyone. I just wanted to go to Burning Man, to find myself. Or whatever bullshit excuse people use when they're falling apart. The air out there, it tastes like iron. It's not a party. It's not a pilgrimage. It's waiting. They build things just so they can burn. There were eyes everywhere. Not people, just shapes.
The fire remembers every name it consumes.
And their masks. They were watching me, even when I wasn't looking. I ran, away from the crowd, away from the fire. Tell me, how long was I out there?